Hello everyone, I am here with a new recipe that is tasty and yummy potato jackets. And that's why my sister is wearing a jacket, right? And this is a very good news for potato lovers. So let's get started. So for the potato jackets, we need 2 potatoes. I have not fully boiled them. I have boiled them a little bit. You can see it on the corners, and we have to cut them in halves. Now I have taken 4 tablespoons of cheddar cheese, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of red chili flakes, 1 green onion, 2 tablespoons of corns, 1 tablespoon of olives, 2 tablespoons of cream, a little bit of black pepper and oregano. Now we will scoop out the potatoes. Like this. I am adding 1 chopped green onion. You can add fresh coriander if you have. I have chopped them into pieces. Now let's add them. I am adding the white part as well. Now I will add the spices. And I have some corn and olives. I'll save some for garnishing.
Alishba, where are the black pepper and oregano?
See, Mom. I was hiding these in my pockets all that time. So we have to add 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon or half teaspoon of oregano, as you're liking. Now we have to add 2 tablespoons of cheese. I have 4 tablespoons. I will save some for garnishing. Okay. Just take some cheese. Yeah. Now let's quickly drizzle of cream. Yum yum. I am lovely. I have added 2 tablespoons. Now let's mix everything together. Yum yum. Smells amazing. Just because of the cheese and the cream. My jackets are ready, and one thing I need to tell you. Potato, cheese and cream are the best combo. So my jackets are ready. Now we'll scoop out some of my batter and I'll put it into my jackets. Just level it. Make sure to have even better. And I need to say that if you will not put even batter in one of the potatoes will say, no, I want even batter. So that's right, put even batter so the potatoes will not fight with each other. Just a joke. Please comment down below if you like this joke. Well, it was funny. And like my videos if you like them, right? If you want more potato recipes I'll give you, please comment down below. Now for garnishing, I am adding some corns and olives. Three corns for each potato evenly, right? Look. Now we will garnish it with spring onion and everything evenly, right? So let's add 2 spring onions each. Next we'll add some cheese, and after that
what?
we will bake it at 200 degrees Celsius, in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes, okay? Here they go in the preheated oven, and please wear muffins for this thing. Oops, this is so hot. Now I have put them in the oven. The tempting creamy jacket potatoes are ready. See, my mouth is watering. But they are hot. Let them cool down and then I'll show you the taste test. Bye. It's the perfect blend of cream, potatoes and cheese, and I'm ready with my knife and fork. Let's get started. So melty cheese. Oh my. Guys, they're literally really yummy. Enjoy them hot, because I like to enjoy my food yummy, hot and juicy, right? This is the perfect blend. I love this thing. Please try this at home, and please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Bye.